Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why can't I leave a review on Airbnb. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to leave a review on Airbnb, but why can't you do it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way this actually works is that with Airbnb, the most common reason why people can't leave a review after staying at an Airbnb is because it's already been more than 14 days. So according to Airbnb's rules, you only have 14 days after checking out to leave a review for your stay. So for example, some trips that I've made here, I was able to leave a review on some recent trips, but anything longer than 14 days, it wouldn't allow me to leave a review. So this is what I found through research as far as finding out why couldn't I leave reviews on Airbnbs in which I've stayed at before. But that is essentially the reason why. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way in order to go ahead and figure out why can't I leave a review on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually figure this out, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.